Birthday to you.
Sawyer, are you ready for your surprise from Grandma and Grandpa? Ready? What is it?
Open. Open.
Maybe Daddy can help you open it. What is it?
What do you have there, Sawyer?
Are you excited? Tell Daddy to hurry up.
Yeah. Where'd you get this from? Baba's Baba?
Who gave it to you?
No.
Who gave it to you?
No.
Who'd you get the toys from?
Whoa,
Wow!
from Grandma and Grandpa.
Do you remember this one? We went there. It was the Kilimanjaro Safari. You remember? Remember when we went on the safari, Chuck? What's that one? That one's the tea train. Remember Daddy and Grandma and Grandpa and Mommy and Dory rode on that train? That's a train.
I want to read.
Yeah, you were too little to go on. That one's Splash Mountain. And Mommy and Dory and Sawyer didn't go on that one either because we were scared. Then you were too little.
Oh.
And that's Space Mountain. Again, height requirements. You didn't get to go on. And that one's the Astro Orbiter. The line was really long, but we'll have to do that one in the future. Do you like all your cool toys?
Yes.
Say thanks, Grandma. Thanks, Grandpa. Look into the camera here and say thank you.
Thank you.